Hi, this is Paul from Sound Mobiles, and this is an unboxing on the new iPad 2018. So this is generation 6. Okay, so this I bought for £319. I'm going to see if it's worth the money. This is just an unboxing, but you're going to see a lot more videos on this, going through games and that. And if there's anything that you want to see on it, and I've not covered it in the next few videos, then yeah, definitely comment below and tell me what you want to see. Rightio, let's get it unboxed. I went for gold because I like the gold. Yeah, so get that undone. I went for the 32 gig. Rightio. Okay. Right, let's lift the lid and see the Apple experience. Oh, very nice. Okay, so it's a 9.7 inch screen, and it's got the A10 Fusion chip in it, so it's meant to be quite fast. Oh, it is quite thin. Do you know what? It's actually quite nice, actually. Yes, very nice. Okay, here we go. Satisfaction. I was talking to a man in Apple, and he was saying that they pay a lot of money for the way that Apple stuff's packaged, like the way that the box comes off slowly and stuff. Crazy, really. Okay, so this is the actual screen. So hopefully that this is going to run quite. I mean, it should run really good. I mean, I've looked at another couple of bits, and this runs faster than an iPad Air 2. So you'd like to think it would, because obviously it's a lot newer than that. It's a Retina display as well. People keep going on about the air gap in between. So obviously you can see there's a slight gap in between where the iPad, I believe it's the iPad Air, is to the screen, and also the Pros are as well. But yeah, I got this basically because I think it's going to be a good iPad. It's a different kind of gold as well. It doesn't look like the usual standard gold that Apple do. It does look more. It actually looks more gold than they usually do. So I'm liking that. And obviously this you can use with the pencil as well. This is the first. Basically, this iPad is aimed at students and schools. That's what they've done for it. But you can also do like iMovie editing on it as well, so it can keep up with stuff like that. So that's the actual iPad. In the box you get some Apple stickers. Oh, and then just some quick information telling you a little bit about it. And then obviously your lightning cable to USB, and then your plug, 3.5, sorry, not 3.5, 3-pin plug, 3.5. Okay, so take you around it. It's obviously got a lightning cable here, and you've got 2 speakers here as well. Going round to the back, you've got the camera there as well, and then you've got the volume up and down. There is no silent button like they used to on the old iPads, and obviously you've got the power button here, and surprisingly a 3.5 headphone jack. So yeah, that's just been my unboxing on this. Do you know what, I'm actually surprised about that colour. I do like that gold, that's really nice. I am liking that. I wasn't going to go for the gold, I was going to go for the silver, but I'm kind of glad that I went for the gold now. Shimmering, shimmering. Okay, so obviously there's going to be a few videos coming up on this, like whether it can handle certain games and that. And if you want me to play something or do something on it, comment below, let me know. But that's been my unboxing on the 2018 iPad. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Oh yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Bye.